In the bright green meadows of Sunny Hollow lived Rollo the rabbit, a fluffy white rabbit with long floppy ears and bright blue eyes. Rollo wore a little green scarf and was known for hopping fast and helping anyone in trouble. One sunny spring morning, Rollo's ears twitched. He heard something. It was a soft cry, coming from the tall grass nearby. Rollo hopped closer, his nose twitching with curiosity. There, hidden in the grass, was Pip the bird, a tiny yellow bird with a round belly and bright black eyes. Pip's wing was slightly bent. He had fallen from his nest in the strong wind. "I can't fly back," Pip chirped sadly. Rollo gently scooped Pip onto his back. "Don't worry," Rollo said kindly. "I'll get you home." The first challenge, they had to cross a bubbling stream. Rollo hopped carefully, keeping Pip safe from the splashing water. Next, they spotted danger, a hungry fox watching from the bush. Rollo hopped quickly, zigzagging to avoid the fox's pounce. At last they reached a tall oak tree, where Pip's nest was high above. Rollo climbed slowly, gripping the bark with Pip holding on tight. Step by step, they reached the top. Pip's family chirped with joy, welcoming him home. Pip thanked Rollo for his kindness and bravery. Rollo hopped away, smiling, happy to have made a new friend.